Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Delta SkyMiles Amex preferences, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Delta SkyMiles American Express preferences, begin by visiting the Delta SkyMiles website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for preferences or profile settings in the menu. Click on the preferences option to access your settings. Here, you will see various categories related to your account. Review the sections available, such as communication preferences and travel preferences. To update your communication preferences, select the relevant option. Choose how you wish to receive notifications, either by email or text. If you want to change your email address, input the new address in the provided field. Next, review your travel preferences. Update your preferred seating, meal options, or any other preferences as necessary. Make sure to save any changes you have made. Now, check if there are options for managing your loyalty status or membership tiers. If updates are available, carefully follow the prompts to make adjustments. Once you have completed all changes, confirm your selections. Finally, log out of your account to ensure your information is secure. Your Delta SkyMiles American Express preferences are now updated successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.